Hey everyone, this is Nick from Got Teched, the podcast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your favorite YouTube videos into GIFs for free with a really awesome Chrome extension called GIFit. So YouTube videos are great, but they have one major drawback, and that is that I have to go to YouTube to watch it or show it to my class. This takes extra time and adds extra clicks, and I don't want to waste that time when I'm in class. So with GIFit, I can turn that exact same video into a GIF, and now that it's in this new file format, this new picture file, I can much more quickly add it into presentations and worksheets for my students. Here's a PowerPoint presentation where I'm teaching my chemistry students about combustion reactions. Normally, if I want to talk about hydrogen gas combusting in the presence of oxygen gas, I might show this slide, but then have to hit escape and leave the slide, go to YouTube, and show them a video of a hydrogen combustion reaction. However, if I turn that video into a GIF, I can add that picture right into the background of my PowerPoint presentation, and it'll play automatically in the background without me leaving or going anywhere. It's much faster, much cooler, and your kids will appreciate the effect as well. So here's how you do it. The first step is to add the Giffit extension to your Chrome browser. You can do that by going to Google search and simply typing in GIFit. The first link that pops up should take you here to the Chrome web store. You'll have a blue button that will say add to Chrome. You can go ahead and click that and walk through any prompts that it gives you. You may have to restart your Chrome browser to see it, but if it's done successfully, up here with your list of extensions, you should have an option that says GIFit. And if you don't see it, try clicking on the puzzle piece to see some of your overflow extensions, and GIFit should be there. My next step is to simply go to YouTube and find a video that I might want to turn into a GIF. So here's a video on precipitation reactions. Rather than go to YouTube to watch this, I'm going to turn it into a GIF so I can add it straight into my precipitation reactions presentation for class. So you can see this video is pretty long. It goes for 10 minutes, and I don't want to turn the whole thing into a 10-minute long GIF. In fact, it's only this middle section from about 1 minute and 20 seconds until about 2 minutes and 50 seconds that I want to actually turn into the GIF. So I'd recommend watching the video first and deciding which pieces you actually want to turn into the GIF. Once you know the timestamps you want to use for the beginning and end of your GIF in the video, you'll come down here in the bottom right-hand corner and you should have a little GIFit icon. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to give you some options. First thing we do is enter our timestamps. I don't want my GIF to start until about 1 minute and 20 seconds into the video. It automatically navigates to that frame so you can see exactly where you'll be starting. And I want my GIF to end at 2 minutes and 45 seconds. As you type that in, it automatically goes to that frame so you can see where your GIF will end. The next thing that you can do is adjust the width and height of the eventual picture file that you'll get from your GIF. I know that I'm going to put this in a PowerPoint presentation, so I want it to be a little bit bigger. I usually don't go too big so I don't lose too much quality, so maybe 500 for the width. And you can see it automatically adjusts the height as that ratio is locked in automatically for you. The frame rate you can adjust as well. The automatic setting here is 10. You can make this a little bit higher if you want. The more frames that it uses from the YouTube video, the cleaner the look of your final GIF will have, but it's also going to have a larger file size. So just be careful not to go too high. Lastly, you can adjust the quality of your GIF by sliding it up. I usually take it to the maximum, highest quality that I possibly can before I'm done, and I finally click the GIFit button. It's going to take some time as it tells you that it's gathering those frames. Now you just sit back and wait. Once your GIF is done rendering, it'll turn into a little window box with an option to save the GIF. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You'll see the GIF will save in a picture file down here in the bottom left-hand corner. From here, you'll find that GIF in your downloads folder on your desktop, and you can access it there. Usually what I'll do, because it's a little bit faster, is just minimize my Chrome browser, click and drag that GIF onto my desktop. So now I have a desktop copy that I can more easily access. You can see it here. I can double click on it, open it, and see the quality of the GIF that I've just generated. From this point, I can add it into anything from a Google Doc, PowerPoint, or Google Slide presentation. Good luck and thanks for watching.